Good morning, students. The last video we have already discussed about the construction of valid moods of third figure. Today we will discuss about the valid moods of the fourth figure. Out of these 8 possible moods, we have to deduce how many are valid in the fourth figure. The position of middle term in the fourth figure is PM, MS, SP. This will be like this. First of all, we have to say whether from A the conclusion will derive or not. From A is the major premise, A is the minor premise. So all P is M, all all M is S. Therefore, the major premise is universal affirmative. Both are universal affirmative. Both are universal means both the premises, the conclusion must be universal. Both are affirmative means affirmative. Conclusion is universal, affirmative means that is A proposition. All S is P. A proposition distributes subject term only. Here the middle term is distributed in one of the premises. In the minor premise, the middle term is distributed, so there is no fallacy of undistributed middle. In the conclusion, the minor term is distributed. The minor term is not distributed in the minor premise, so it leads to the fallacy of illicit minor. Here, in order to avoid the illicit minor, why it is illicit minor? The minor term is distributed in conclusion, but it is not distributed in major premise, so it leads to the fallacy of illicit minor. In order to avoid this fallacy, if we make it particular affirmative, the conclusion is particular affirmative, so this will be avoided. The particular affirmative means I proposition. Instead of universal, we make it particular, but the particular affirmative means I proposition. Sum S is P. I proposition is to neither subject nor predicate. There will be no fallacy of illicit minor. So this is a valid mood in the fourth figure. From A, the conclusion I derives. That is Brahmantic. B-R-A Brahmantic. A-I. Brahmantic is the valid mood in the fourth figure. Then from A-E. 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 All P is M, no, M is S. Major premise is universal affirmative, it is universal negative. One premise is affirmative, one is negative, so the conclusion must be negative. Both are universal, so conclusion must be universal. First of all, we say we will make it universal. If there is any fallacy, then we try to make it particular. First of all, it is universal negative means E proposition. No, S is P. A proposition distributes subject, E both subject predicate, E both subject predicate. Middle term is distributed in the minor premise. There is no fallacy of undistributed middle. In the conclusion, both major term and minor term are distributed. Major term is distributed in the conclusion. It has been also distributed in the major premise. So there is no fallacy of illicit measure. In the minor term is distributed in conclusion. It has also been distributed in the minor premise. There is no fallacy of illicit minor. But it is a valid mode in the fourth figure. It is a valid mode in the fourth figure, that is called this mode is Kamenes. C-A-M-E-N-E-S. Kamenes or Kamenes. Kamenes. C-A-M-E-N-E-S. A-E-E. From A-E, the conclusion it says Kamenes or Kamenes. Then A-I. From A-I. All P is M, some M is S. It is universal affirmative, it is particular affirmative. When both the premises are affirmative, the conclusion must be affirmative. One is particular, another is universal. When one premise is particular, the conclusion must be particular. The conclusion will be particular. Affirmative means I proposition. That is sum S is P. A proposition distributes subject. I proposition distribute neither subject nor predicate. Here middle term is not distributed neither in the major premise nor in the minor premise. Why this? Because A proposition distributes subject term, P major term, but middle term occurs in the predicate plus. It is not distributed in the major premise. And in the minor premise, middle term is not distributed because I proposition distribute neither subject nor predicate. So middle term is not distributed in any of the premises. So it leads to the fallacy of undistributed middle. Fallacy of undistributed middle. Undistributed middle. Here, so as is a fallacy of undistributed, so no conclusion can be derived from AI. From AI, there is no, it is not a valid mode in the fourth figure. Then from AO, from AO, all P is M, sum M is not S. We'll see whatever the conclusion. It is universal major premise, universal affirmative. It is particular negative. When one premise is affirmative, another is negative, so conclusion must be negative. When one premise is particular, the conclusion must be particular. The conclusion will be particular. Negative means O proposition. That is sum S is not P. A proposition distribute subject term, O proposition distribute predicate, O proposition distribute predicate. Here middle term is not distributed neither in the major premise nor in the minor premise. Because A proposition distribute only predicate subject term, that is the major term. O proposition distribute the predicate term, that is the minor term. So middle term is not distributed neither in the major premise nor in the minor premise. So it leads to the fallacy of undistributed middle. Undistributed middle. It is a fallacy of undistributed middle. Fallacy of undistributed middle. So this is not valid in the fourth figure. From AO, no conclusion can be derived. Then EA. Then from EA. No P is M. All M is S. Conclusion. Universal negative. This is universal affirmative. When one premise is affirmative and one is negative, so the conclusion must be negative. When both are universal, the conclusion must be universal negative means E proposition. No S is P. E proposition is both subject predicate. A distributes subject, E distributes both subject and predicate. Here middle term is distributed in both the premises. There is no fallacy of undistributed middle. In the conclusion, you see both major term and minor term both are distributed. Major term distributed conclusion, it has been also distributed in the major premise. So there is no fallacy of illicit major. But in the minor term is distributed conclusion, it has not been distributed in the minor premise. So it leads to the fallacy of illicit minor. Illicit minor. This fallacy of illicit minor. Why? The minor term is distributed in conclusion without being distributed in the minor premise. But this can be avoided by, if we make it instead of universal negative, if we make it particular negative, so this will be avoided. How? It is particular affirmative means we can reduce it particular negative means O proposition, that is sum S is not P. O proposition distribute predicate term. So subject term is not distributed, only predicate term is distributed by the O proposition. So there is no fallacy of illicit minor. Then this will be valid mode in the fourth figure. From EA, the O conclusion comes that this name is FESAPO. FESAPO. EAO. FESAPO. EAO. E major premise, A minor premise, O is conclusion. EAO. FESAPO. Its name is FESAPO. Then EI. No P is M. Sum M is S. This is universal negative, this is particular affirmative. When one premise is affirmative, one is negative, the conclusion must be negative. One is universal, one premise is particular, the conclusion must be particular. Conclusion will be particular negative, means O proposition. Some S is not P. E proposition with both subject and predicate. I neither subject nor predicate. O proposition predicate. Here the middle term is distributed in the major premise. So there is no fallacy of undistributed middle. The in the conclusion major term is distributed and the major term is also distributed in the major premise. So there is no fallacy of illicit major. No fallacy of undistributed middle. No fallacy of illicit major or illicit minor. So this is a valid mode in the fourth figure. Its name is precision. Precision. F-R-E-S-I-S-O-N. Precision. E-I-O. E-I-O. Precision. F-R-E-S-I-S-O-N. This is a valid mode in the fourth figure. Then I-A. From I-A. I-A. Some P is M. All M is S. It is particular affirmative. It is universal affirmative. When both the premises are affirmative, the conclusion must be affirmative. When one is particular and another is universal, one premise is particular, the conclusion must be particular. The conclusion will be particular affirmative, means I proposition. Some S is P. I proposition distribute neither subject nor predicate. A proposition only subject term. I proposition neither subject nor predicate. Here the middle term is distributed once in the premise. There is no fallacy of undistributed middle. In the conclusion, no term is distributed. So there is no fallacy, neither of illicit major nor illicit minor. So this is a valid mode in the fourth figure. Its name is De Maris. Its name is De Maris. D-I-M-A-R-I-S. A-I-A-I. De Maris. I-A-I. From I-A, conclusion I comes. Then O-A. O-A. Some P is not M. All M is S. Major premise is particular negative. It is universal affirmative. When one premise is affirmative, one is negative, the conclusion must be negative. When one premise is particular, one is universal, one premise is particular, means the conclusion must be particular. Conclusion will be particular negative, means O proposition. Some S is not P. O proposition distribute predicate term, A proposition subject term, O proposition predicate term. Here middle term is distributed in both the premises. There is no fallacy of undistributed middle. In the conclusion, the major term is distributed, but it is not distributed in major premise. So it leads to the fallacy of illicit major. Illicit major. So this is not valid in the fourth figure. From OA, no conclusion can be derived. This is invalid. Out of this 8, we got 5 valid modes in the fourth figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brahmantic, Kamenes, Samanes, Fesapo, and Precision, and De Maris. These are the 5 valid modes in the fourth figure. We have already discussed there are 4 figures. Out of these 4 figures, in the first figure we got 4 valid modes. In the second figure we got 4. In the third figure we got 6. In the fourth figure we got 5. Total we got 19. Total there are 19 valid modes in the 4. Out of 4 figures we got only 19 valid modes. Out of 16 we have got only 19 valid modes. These are the valid modes of the 4 figures. Thank you.